Ever wonder how that little sensor on your arm actually knows your blood sugar? Hi, I'm Jeff, the glucose guy. T1D dad, not a doctor, so always check with your medical team before making any changes. Let's talk CGMs. What does a CGM do? A CGM, or continuous glucose monitor, doesn't check your blood. It reads the glucose from the interstitial fluid around your cells. Tracking that gives you a strong sense of your daily blood sugar trends and how they rise and fall throughout the day. Under the patch is a tiny sensor filament, about the size of an eyelash. It sits just under the skin and reacts with glucose in that interstitial fluid. That reaction creates a small electrical signal, which the transmitter reads and turns into your glucose number. The number is definitely useful, but the trend arrows are the real power. They show whether you're rising, dropping, or staying steady, so you can get ahead of highs and prevent lows before they hit. Most CGMs come with alerts for highs, lows, and fast changes. And many let caregivers or parents follow along with their phones, which is a lifesaver for families. Even if you're thousands of miles away, you can still check in with your loved one to see how they're doing. It's great for peace of mind. But one thing to remember, CGMs are not in real time. Because they read interstitial fluid and not blood, they're usually 5 to 15 minutes behind your actual blood sugar. So if you're feeling a little off, it's always smart to do a quick finger stick to check your actual number. If your brain feels even 1% less confused, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what diabetes mystery you want me to decode next.